Hello and welcome to Business Alerts Professional for Sage Mass 90 and Mass 200. Today we'll be talking about Business Alerts Professional by telling the story of Bob, your best employee. We'll find out what's Bob's secret. We'll also find out what Business Alerts can do for you. We'll also see a demonstration of Business Alerts Professional for Sage Mass 90 and Mass 200. Meet Bob. He's your best employee. He seems to be in tune with everything in your business. He's always on top of things and seems to have it done before you even have to ask. In fact, one day you had a great idea on how to give your customers better customer service, and at the same time reduce the phone calls coming into your salespeople and the customer service reps. If you could email sales order confirmations and email them a tracking number, your salesperson and customer service reps could be working on more productive things. You approached Bob with the idea, and magically, he put your idea to life the very next day. Another time, he warned shipping that a customer went over their credit limit. Accounts receivable was able to call the customer, resolve the issue, and shipping was able to ship out the package the very next day. Just yesterday, you were worried that one of your most popular items was running low. You told Bob. He said, "Don't worry, I've already reordered it, and it's coming tomorrow." Then there was a time when a payment to your biggest vendor fell through the cracks. Wow. If Bob didn't find that one, then one of your biggest orders would have been delayed. He also warned you about a project that was quickly going over budget. He was able to act on it quickly and get the budget right back on track. As a manager, wouldn't you like to hire Bob? As an employee, wouldn't you like to be like Bob? Well, what's Bob's secret? Bob uses business alerts to monitor the pulse of the business. Business Alerts works through a series of agents: a database monitor agent, a query agent, a file monitor agent, and an email agent. The database monitor agent detects changes, additions, or deletions of records. So, for example, it can detect when a new sales order was placed, changed, or deleted. The query agent queries the database for certain conditions, such as stockouts or customers over the credit limit. The file monitor agent detects changes, additions, deletions, and even a lack of changes to files and folders. It's similar to the database monitor, except this is on a file level instead of on a record level. The email agent automatically sends email to inform key people. What can Business Alerts do for me? Well, Business Alerts can do anything that Bob can do and more. There are 30 sample alerts already created for you in accounts payable, accounts receivable, job cost, purchase order, sales order, inventory, and general ledger. You can use these out of the box or create and customize your own to suit your individual needs. Let's take a look at Business Alerts Professional for Sage Mass 90 and Mass 200 in action. Now I'm in Business Alerts Professional. You can see on the left that I have 30 sample alerts that you can use right out of the box, or you can customize these to fit your business needs, or simply create your own. Right now I have several alerts enabled, but let's focus on a few. I have new customer welcome, new sales orders over $1,000, and inventory on hand less than 0. Let's take a closer look at inventory on hand less than 0. On the General tab, I just have the description. Let's go over to Schedule. On Schedule, I have this set to run continuously every minute, but I can change the schedule to run once, hourly, or even yearly. Let's go to Steps to see how this alert will monitor the database. I'll click on Edit, and here I can see the database tables and the fields that are going to be monitored. Let's click on Build Query to see how this was set up. On my Tables tab, you can see that I've chosen Inventory Master File and Inventory Item Warehouse Detail Tables. Here I can select any Mass 90 table and put them in the query. If I go on criteria, I can see the criteria for which an alert will be sent when a quantity on hand is less than 0. Here's where I can also edit this query as well. I can click on Edit and then Insert Column. Perhaps a quantity on hand is less than the reorder point. Next, let's look at the email that Business Alerts Professional will send. On the General tab, I can put the addressee here. In this case, maybe it's the Operations Manager. In the case of a new customer, I can insert a database field that represents the main contact's email address. On the subject, I can mix text again with a database field. I can configure Business Alerts to use MAPI, Exchange, or SMTP server for email. The benefit of SMTP is that you can use HTML for professional-looking emails going out to your most valuable customers. The Message tab is broken out into Header, Detail, and Footer. This is a great feature if you're going to email sales orders or shipping confirmations. I can put the company information and contact information into the header, line order detail on the detail portion, and order totals on the footer. Even attach attachments to my email. Let's summarize what we talked about today. Business Alerts monitors the pulse of your business. You can use any of the 30 sample alerts, customize those to fit your business needs, or design your own. Business Alerts Professional notifies the right people when critical business events occur. You can notify customers, managers, or yourself. Business Alerts can also resolve issues before they escalate. Need more information? Then call your authorized Sage business partner to find out how Business Alerts Professional can work for your business. Not working with a partner? Then call your Sage Customer Account Manager at 800-541-1681. Thank you for your interest in Business Alerts Professional for Sage Mass 90 and Mass 200. Thank you and have a great day.